Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy. Market graphs can be tricky, but we will solve this clinker problem fast. Let's find the true statement when the price hits $20. Look at the graph where the price is 20. Follow that line to see that the quantity demanded is 4, while the quantity supplied actually reaches a total of 6. Since the quantity supplied of 6 is greater than the quantity demanded of 4, we know the market is not in equilibrium. This specific situation always creates a market surplus. To find the exact amount, subtract 4 from 6. That leaves us with a surplus of 2 clinkers, making option B the only correct choice. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Avoid a rush on signs. Trust the given data and check your steps.